day-to-day life here. I don't even know if I'm doing these right. If you're in the fitness world, let me know if I'm doing these right. I'm going a little too much. A little workouts on. And a little biceps. Yeah, babe. Body yada 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 progress. We're not. I mean, we're not awful. I'm not getting the results I want just yet, but I'm impatient. So, body yada yada yada. All right. Today's outfit's very fun. Very, you know, I don't know if it's like a beachy. I don't know. I feel like a teenager. I feel like I'm dressed like a teenager. Like, hi, like those little girls who are spoiled brats. I don't know. I feel cute. Very flowy today. We got a lot going on with the looks today. I just bought this a couple weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, from American Eagle. It's an extra large, but I love the color of it. It was just very beachy, flowy fun for like spring, summer, I thought. American Eagle on sale for 25 bucks. The tank top's Express. The shorts are Hollister. The hat is, I want to say Marshalls or TJ Maxx, says the Hamptons. Shoes are Express, and my socks are Forever 21. Peace, love, and ho. I'm just kidding. Ready to go to Dunkin', and then I'm gonna go to the park and walk, but what a horrible angle. Cute. It's very summery. It looks like I need iced coffee to go with this drink. Ring for champagne. Waiter. Oh my god, my legs feel like Jello. What am I doing? It's nice to be back here with it bloomed green and warm. It wasn't the same in the winter. Airplanes. It's a sign of vacation. It's a sign to take a vacation. Book that ticket and be on your way. The child in me wants to go on the playground. I'll never be too old for playgrounds. Oh, it's a turtle. Oh, it's two turtles. Before I forget this, because I'm walking and I just had a great explanation of my videos. What I do is therapy, literal therapy, because, you know, when I think about it, instead of sitting down with a therapist, people coming. It's like instead of therapy, like sitting down with somebody, discussing like problems and or whatever, I do my video diaries, my vlogging. I put the camera down, I sit on the floor and just talk. And then it's nice to film your life because you have records. It's like records to look back on. And just to kind of see, how are you presenting yourself at this time? How are you presenting yourself? How are you acting? How are you feeling? Because when you film, it keeps the memory going because you remember what you did, what you wore, how your life was like. So it's kind of like that record. You see how you are, how you act, how you're acting, how you're feeling, how you're presenting yourself, how you look and dress and whatever, interacting with people and talking to yourself. How are you handling stuff? And then you use the video diaries and the vlogs that you're talking about your feelings and inserting that within your other vlogs to see if you're actually keeping word. Are you actually telling the truth? Are you lying to yourself without realizing it? Are you in denial because you're saying you're good, but you're really, you're acting a different way in this video or presenting yourself? And just kind of plugging that in and dissecting the thought process in your life without going crazy, but even though it drives you crazy. So to me, that, like, what I do, filming your life, filming my life is literal therapy to me. So, you know, it's an advantage. It's always been an advantage of filming my life. And oh God, I'm pretty sure I stepped all in whatever this was. I hope it's not. Hope it's not poison ivy. Look at that breeze coming in. This was a fun day.
I'm starting to run out the sides again instead of the middle. I wish that. What's going on here today?
Why?
I've had all good fires since I've been collecting that wood.
Oh, it's because we're here. Today's look. Very summery and beachy. Kind of like a beachy look. Love home goods this time of year. Oh, how pretty is that?
And got flowers here.
Pretty. These things. I love these. I feel like I could make these for a little bit cheaper. Oh, look at the little Mickey Minnie. Oh my God, it's Minnie's little house. Her mansion. Guys, it's the little things. Little oranges on the inside.
Your champagne fruit.
Oh, champagne orange juice. It's like a bird. Is it a lamb?
Oh, it's a lamb.
That's funny. Look at these lamps. These lamps are everything right now. Mother, look at these lamps. They're so cute. Buying all this stuff that I don't need. These guys, they got fuzzy tops and they got disco. I can't. Got the club music today. You know, I feel very cute.
Lila.
I've already put mine on there.
Ow.
Oh. I think I got pictures. Who's ready for a day out? Me is. We are giving vibes. I feel thoughty today. I feel I love the train, guys. I'll never get tired of the train. You just said I had enough of that road. Get that rug out there. So. Lord Jesus, it's hot. Oh my God. I'm dying. I did some shopping. I'm home now. Hot, guys, I'm hot. Oh my God, it's hot as a biatch out there. Today on what I didn't need, my Starbucks. Big drink. Cute little sign at the dollar store, $1.25. This little thing in the kitchen, I'm gonna change up the kitchen for the beach. So I got all these cute little knickknacks for $1.25. Little message in a bottle. Food. Food. red, white, and blue star cups that I did not need, but they're fun little decorations. A $5 plant, because I don't have enough of those. The Home Sense little plaque thing that was on clearance for $3. And the Tommy Bahama soap. I bought one yesterday at another Marshall's, but I wanted another one, and that one smells like a mixed drink, so I'm all for it. She's cute. She is cute. Little kitchen updates for the summer. Just small pieces, but you know, it makes a difference. I'm all for it. I love laying in my closet, my sanctuary. I'm a hummingbird, baby. Open your eyes. Champagne, please. Waiter. Waiter. Fill her up, Poe.